Hello and welcome back to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create an image and print it tiled, so then you'll be able to create larger than what your printer can print images. You just have to. So you'll come into Publisher, and the first thing you want to do is open up a new file. So I already created this one, but you open a new file, and then you're going to go to Page Design, and then you're going to go to Size. You want to go to Page Setup, and you want to change the size to whatever size image you want to create. So right now we're doing a 3-foot Barbie head. So that's 36 inches. So I changed the width to 36 inches, and I changed the height to 36 inches. And I press OK. So when I first brought Barbie into my Publisher, she's pretty small, so I'll just stretch her out as far as I can till she fits the page, and then this is how I got what's behind her. Then you'll save it, and then you want to go to print, you see mine's already come up and show it as tiled. That's because the page is bigger than what my printer can print, so it automatically shows up as tiled. And as you can see here, it'll print 1, 2, 3. It'll print 15 pages. You see some of these pages have nothing on them. You can also change it to print landscape. This is the way I will actually print it. Seems like it's less paper used, so it's less work. And then you just go to print, and it'll print all of those papers out. And then you'll take it. Usually when I do towel work, I'm putting it on a foam board. So once it's printed, I'll cut it out, and then I'll glue it to the foam board. And then I'll take my X-Acto knife and cut around what I want using the foam, and then I have my 3-foot Barbie head. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop, don't stop giving